Hello everyone, my name is Leanne and welcome to my channel. Now we are here because we are gonna unbox this one right here. We got it from the post office and we just got it today. It is, I have already opened it. Okay, so I have already opened it and let's see what this one is. Okay, so this one was sent 2 days ago, and it's finally here. So this is the box. You can see there's a logo. If you can see this logo, if you know this logo, then you're lucky. What is this logo? This logo is Converse. Okay, this Converse shoes is not for me. This was ordered because if you don't know, guys, I am selling shoes, so from now on you will see a lot of unboxing in this video. Unboxing, try on products and everything. So check my other videos because I have a lot of videos already downloaded or uploaded in this video, in this channel, so check it out. So are you excited to see what's in here? Because I am very excited already. So this one's Converse. Who wants Converse? Everybody likes Converse, right? Or only them, or only us. Anyways, so this is it. Let's open it. So here you can see, let's open. Ta-da! And it is color purple. This color purple, guys. It is color purple. So that shoes is this one. It has, I think this one is, it has something, a rubber or something for your back here, and it has also this one. It is it leather? I'm not sure if this one's leather. This one's shiny. I think it is. And it's very purple. I didn't know that this one, I thought this one was not too nice, but now that I see it personally, it looks better in person, guys. It looks better in person than in picture. Yes. So yeah, it has also this here, this one's shiny, and also this one also here, and it says All-Star Converse, and at the back as well, All-Star and Converse in the logo. And inside you will see there is a name in here, and it is written in purple. It's so cute. My favorite color is purple, so I love this one. How come I don't have purple shoes? I'm so jealous they have this one. And this one also here, also have a logo here with a Converse All-Star. Oh my. When you smell new shoes, am I weird? I smell the new shoes and it smells good. Yeah, so this is size 6. So let's see the other one. The other one here is the same. You can see that one. Okay. Right there. And same. And that one too. Yes. And here, back to back. And that one. It looks so beautiful. And also, if you can see, this is the tag price. It is originally 1,000. I don't know if you can see that. I won't just read it, but it is 1,990 baht. It is 1,990 baht, so that in pesos that's more than or around 3,000. It is around 3,000, I guess, this one. So yeah, this one's so nice. Oh, this one, these shoes actually is here. If you can see that. It is made in Vietnam. It is made in Vietnam, fabric of Vietnam, and it is size 6 in the US, size 4 UK, and size 36.5 Europe, and size 23 centimeter. It's 23. It's 23 centimeter. So it says here it is for women. This shoes is for women. So somebody ordered this from me, guys. And if you haven't known it, I already told you that I'm selling shoes. So from now on, you will see a lot of unboxing of these shoes in my channel. Okay, so this was already ordered, so this is sold. Okay, next time you will unbox the thing that are not sold yet. So goodbye and see you on my next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also comment below if what video do you want me to do next. And see you and goodbye. Have a very good day to all.